Season's greetings, sharks. My name is Jason McComber. This is Cooper the Elf. And I know you all know Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
I'm the founder and owner of Beardaments, and I'm here today seeking $150,000 in exchange for 10% of my company. Now, sharks, do you recall the most famous Beardo of all? There once was a jolly man who gave everyone Christmas cheer, but Santa, he grew bored of wearing the same outfit each year.
I tried ugly sweaters, but they all just looked weird.
I know.
Shouted the elf.
Let's put stuff in your beard.
So he clipped in bright ornaments of gold, silver, red, and green. Now this was holiday spirit that the North Pole had never seen.
Beardaments!
Exclaimed Santa.
That's what they'll be called. You can clip them almost anywhere, even your chest hair if you're bald.
But he didn't stop there, because this Santa had no doubt.
There must be other ways you could deck a beard out.
So the elves quickly made beard oil, glitter, and lights.
So anyone without a Rudolph could still see through the night. The North Pole was ecstatic. Santa was looking fly. Even Mrs. Claus couldn't keep her hands off this guy. Now, sharks, who wants to season up your beard and step under the mistletoe?
Make my Christmas wish come true.
And let's watch your money grow.
Ho, ho, ho.
All right, sharks, I know you've all stayed off the naughty list this year, so Santa and the elf are going to pass out some samples for you.
Cool beans.
Beardaments is not really truly a technically telescope trademark.
Okay.
But it is, suggestive, squished together trademark, right?
Yeah.
Great. So I like it. I'm all for it. That's a good one.
Yeah, I thought, on the patent side, in terms of novelty, lights, ornaments like that aren't necessarily novel, but put in the beard, maybe. But the utility really doesn't change. An ornament is just a decoration, no matter where you put it. What's interesting though could be on the design side, if the ornaments themselves, if you have a zoom in and see if they had a unique shape or a look to them, that could be a design pattern. You could go for the ornamental. Three-dimensional shape of the ornament itself. I couldn't tell, and I don't think he really described clearly if there was perhaps a unique attachment mechanism to the beard.
Sure.
Or maybe it didn't pull the hair, some sort of, I don't know what it would be, like a rubber or not rubber, something else that doesn't hurt. That may rise to the level of a patentable subject matter. So always look for ways to sort of create extra value. But again, this concept was just sort of a fun business idea. It's hard to see how this might scale. He did mention pets, though.